Welcome to 2970 Gemstone Drive in Pace, Florida. This home is located in the community of Ashley Plantation, and as you can see here, we do have sidewalks throughout this neighborhood. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. It's over 2,300 square feet, and it resides on over half an acre, so very spacious yard here. All brick exterior, and as you can see, it is beautifully landscaped. We do have a really nice front sitting porch here as well. This home also comes equipped with hurricane coverings as well as keyless entry on the front door and back door. So coming into the foyer, very spacious foyer. It measures 22 by 7 feet. So nice grand entry here. First, I'm going to take you straight back into the main living area and kitchen. So we have a very spacious living room here with a double tray ceiling and crown molding accents. Really unique ceiling fan as well. This home also has a home security system as well as a Nest thermostat with Wi-Fi capability. The dining area has a table suitable for seating 8 people. And as you can see, a very spacious kitchen with abundant storage cabinet. We do have a nice size island with a breakfast bar, electric cooktop, built-in microwave, and fridge with ice and water dispenser. And another wonderful bonus feature is this walk-in pantry with just tons of storage space. Just awesome here. We also have recessed lighting in the kitchen as well. Just a nice open floor plan. One of the features I love about this house is the separation between the master suite and the 3 additional bedrooms and bathroom. So coming into the master, we do have an additional storage closet. Very spacious suite here. Suitable for a king size bed. This is a large bed too, so very spacious with a tray ceiling and ceiling fan as well. The master bathroom comes equipped with a double granite vanity. It also has a custom tiled walk-in shower. They've gone ahead and carried the floor tile up the wall, which I just love this. There is a nice seating bench in there as well. We do have a large soaking tub with lots of natural light right under this window. And very spacious walk-in closet. So tons of storage space in this house, really. There's also a linen closet for some additional privacy. Or I'm sorry, a water closet for additional privacy, as well as a linen closet. Sorry about that. Just off the foyer, we do have our garage entry as well as a powder room, convenient for guests. And you can see in the hall here, we have another storage closet. So tons of storage in this house, really. Into our second bathroom here, we have a double granite vanity as well as a shower tub combo. And the tub is a little on the larger side as well. First bedroom on this side. Spacious bedrooms. And just off these bedrooms, we do have our laundry room with some additional storage as well as a storage closet. Second bedroom here on the front side of the house. And into our third on the front side of the house, just next to this. Really nice high ceilings in here. I believe these are 9-foot ceilings. Gives for more of a spacious feel. All right, I'll take you out in the backyard. Again, this house is on over half an acre, 0.51 acres, fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. We do have a covered lanai with an outdoor fan as well. You can see they have a TV out here, so there's TV hookup, perfect for entertaining. super quiet out here. Very spacious. Plenty of room for a pool. Anything you wanted to do back here, really. There's tons of room. We do have a double side gate entry as well, right here on the right. Very peaceful out here. So I'm going to take you back inside, give you one last look at the kitchen and main living area. Again, we do have a keyless entry on the back door as well as the front door. So let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it. We would love to set up a showing for you. If you'd like a private showing, we'd love to show you this beauty as well. Again, this is 2970 Gemstone Drive in Pace, Florida, in the community of Ashley Plantation.